From the KATC Weather Lab, here's Bradley's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, summer hanging tough out there. Now, fall officially gets here early Saturday morning. Unfortunately, not going to be feeling like fall, especially through the course of the weekend. We are looking at hot, humid conditions out there. Rain chances non-zero, but not too terribly high. Perhaps some slightly better rain chances arriving as we head into the early parts of next week. Good news, no pending threats with the tropics, although we do have a potential tropical cyclone off the East Coast. So we'll get the latest track there in just a second. First off, here's the upper level pattern, and still looking at this ridge of high pressure just off to our south and west, pretty much centered across Mexico and southern Texas, and that's been keeping a pretty dry air mass in place there. And as you get into the Gulf of Mexico, and for us as well, for the most part, still have to be on the lookout for some of these mid-level perturbations kind of riding the outer periphery of that high. Sometimes that could help to generate some showers and storms, seeing that across the Arklatex this evening. The possibility we could see a few showers tomorrow evening, although model guidance starting to back off on that thinking just a little bit. Got the latest drought status today, and it's not great. Unfortunately, it has worsened with pretty much all of Acadiana under an exceptional drought. Very dry conditions out there, and unfortunately, we really don't see a pretty good soaking that would kind of bust that drought in the near future. Satellite radar composite again showing a few showers and storms across the Arklatex with that upper level disturbance, and that has kind of produced some debris clouds across the northern and central parts of the state. Some of that trying to sneak into Acadiana, so that'll be likely at least the cloud cover overnight tonight. But as far as any rainfall, not going to happen. Power Doppler 3 is quiet late this evening, so stay quiet tonight. Temperatures mild and muggy out there, low to mid 70s, and you will notice it's going to feel a little muggier out there, especially tomorrow and then as we head through the course of the weekend, especially compared to the past couple of days. Let's talk tropics. Look at the Gulf of Mexico. Boy, this is really what we like to see for the time of year, and it's going to pretty much stay like this for the rest of the month, hopefully for the rest of the hurricane season. So we'll keep our fingers crossed on that. Not a guarantee, still got to watch a couple of weeks into October, but like to see it looking like this. Caribbean Sea, not a whole lot going on. And as we open it up into the Atlantic Basin, a couple areas of interest. We do still have Hurricane Nigel way out here in the northern Atlantic, but not really going to be much of a concern other than perhaps Greenland and Iceland down the line. We have an area here just off the African coast that has an 80% chance to develop over the next 7 days, although initial guidance at this point suggests it could recurve out into the open Atlantic down the line, but still we'll keep an eye on it. And then potential tropical cyclone number 16 doesn't look overly impressive on the satellite imagery, but this will pack a little bit of a punch for portions of the East Coast through the course of the weekend with tropical storm-like conditions. Winds of 40 miles per hour as of the 10 o'clock advisory. Still expected to make landfall across North Carolina as we head into Saturday. Likely a subtropical system, winds of 50 to 60 miles per hour, and then bringing impacts, tropical showers to portions of the mid-Atlantic and northeast as we head into Sunday. And we see that here with the latest graph model. Again, pressure lines kind of tightening up here late Friday night into Saturday morning, bringing some tropical storm force winds and tropical showers to the Carolinas, and then portions of the mid-Atlantic and the northeast as the weekend wears on, but obviously not a threat to the Gulf of Mexico. Quiet overnight tonight, low to mid 70s. That's where we'll start the day tomorrow. Mostly sunny for the morning, mixture of sunshine and clouds into the afternoon. Hot, low to mid 90s, and again, still the possibility of a couple isolated showers and or a thunder shower tomorrow evening, although again, guidance backing off just a little bit. Can't hold rain chances much higher than 20 to 30%. Upper 60s to near 70 for northern Acadiana tonight. Low to mid 70s here along the I-10 corridor. Similar numbers across the coastal parishes. Tomorrow afternoon, hot out there, 92 to 94. Northern Acadiana, 92 to, we'll say 95 or so for the rest of us. So again, temperatures still 5-7 degrees above normal. 73 a projected low tonight. Nice evening, not as cool. Humidity sneaking upwards, and that is going to be the case as we round out the week tomorrow and head into the weekend. 94 your projected high. Still the possibility again, a few of those late afternoon, early evening showers and storms, but rain chances not too terribly high at around 20 to 30%. Otherwise partly cloudy for the afternoon. Fall gets here early Saturday, not feeling like it through the course of the weekend. Low to mid 90s out there. Rain chances isolated up to 20% on Sunday, 30 to 40% Monday into Tuesday. So a slight uptick there, maybe a little bit cooler as well, upper 80s thereafter. A little bit drier with high temperatures returning to the lower 90s, overnight lows, a little bit cooler, mid to upper 60s down the line, guys.
Okay, some progress.
Some progress. We're just looking for that first real fall cold front.
What's today, Bradley?
Today is the 21st night of September. We were singing it in the break. So got us going, so a little extra pep in our step.
Thank you, Bradley.
Thanks, Bradley.